Hey, check this out. What I tell you, I got the before and after. This is where I normally come to charge my phone, but they locked it up. They mad cause I went in the hood where they said I couldn't go on Western Venice. I went to a store anyway. Before that, I went to La Cienega and Rodeo. We call it Rodeo. And they hot about that, so they try to shut me out. So fuck it, I'm about to just take my little change and I'm gonna reset somewhere else. Probably find me another state to go to or something real soon. Yeah, I'm out. Shit, that's about it right now.